In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PayPal transaction history for the year 2025. It's quite a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step so you can easily monitor your financial activities. Let's begin by navigating to the PayPal website. You can do this by typing PayPal into your search engine, or you can directly enter the URL paypal.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials ready, as you'll need your email address and password to access your account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, your most recent transactions and activities will be summarized. To dive deeper into your transaction history, we need to focus on a specific section, the Activity tab. Look towards the top of the page and you should see a navigation bar with various options. Click on Activity to proceed. Once you've clicked on the Activity tab, you will be presented with a comprehensive list of all your recent transactions. This displays everything from payments you've sent and received to any refunds or other account activities. It's a very useful overview if you want to keep track of your spending and income. Now, navigating this list might seem a bit overwhelming due to the volume of transactions, especially if you're an avid PayPal user. To make this simpler, PayPal offers a set of filters that allow you to refine your search. These filters are located on the left side of the page and can be used to narrow down your transaction history by date range, transaction type, or even transaction status. Adjust these filters to focus on specific timeframes or specific types of transactions that you're interested in examining more closely. For example, if you're interested in checking your activity for the last month only, simply adjust the date range filter to reflect that period. Alternatively, if you're looking for a specific transaction type, perhaps you want just to see payments received, you can set the filter to show only those types of transactions. Once set, PayPal will display only the transactions that match your selected criteria, making it easier to find what you're looking for without having to sift through unrelated entries. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently access your PayPal transaction history, allowing you to stay on top of your finances with ease. Hopefully, this tutorial has clarified the process, making it simple and hassle-free for you to review your transactions whenever you need to. Remember, regularly checking your transaction history is a great habit to keep track of your financial activities and ensure that everything is as it should be. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.